Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Sign into the Google account that will receive the Diwali gift. This ensures the balance applies correctly. Next, find the 16-character gift code on the card or email, copy it exactly. Once done, make sure Google Pay or a payment method is linked if the offer requires verification or additional purchase. This prevents errors when redeeming. Now, open the Google Play Store or Gifts portal to begin entering the code. You now move into the detailed exchange. Open Google Play or the Google Gifts portal and choose Redeem. Type or paste the 16-character code exactly, do not add spaces, and then tap Redeem to validate. The system checks region and account eligibility. If the gift is a promo for Diwali, read the terms shown. They often state expiration or usage limits. Make sure your account's country and billing address match the gift's origin to avoid rejection. Finish by confirming the credit applied. Check your Google Play balance or payment methods. You should see the Diwali amount instantly. If the code fails, first recheck for typos, then verify expiration and regional restrictions. Many gifts are country-locked. If problems persist, clear app cache or try a different device, and then contact Google support. Provide the gift email, order ID, and a screenshot so they can trace the transaction quickly. That usually resolves stuck redemptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.